Seeing begins with light. Light travels in waves and bounces off objects around us. Imagine sunlight bouncing off a bright red apple. Some of that light enters our eyes. First, it passes through a clear layer called the cornea. The cornea helps to focus the light. Next, the light travels through the pupil, the dark spot in the center of our eye. The pupil can change size to control how much light enters. Finally, the light reaches the lens. The lens focuses the light onto the back of the eye where the retina is located. The retina is a thin layer at the back of the eye. Think of it as a movie screen inside your eye. The retina is covered in special cells called photoreceptors. There are two main types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to light and help us see in dim conditions. Cones help us see color and fine details. When light hits the photoreceptors, they send electrical signals to other cells in the retina. These signals carry information about the brightness, color, and shape of what we're seeing. The electrical signals from the retina travel along a bundle of nerve fibers called the optic nerve. The optic nerve acts like a cable, carrying information from the eye to the brain. Each eye has an optic nerve that connects to the brain. The two optic nerves meet at a point called the optic chiasm. Here, some of the nerve fibers from each eye cross over to the opposite side of the brain. Finally, the electrical signals reach the visual cortex, the part of the brain responsible for processing vision. The brain combines the signals from both eyes to create a single, three-dimensional image. This process happens incredibly fast, allowing us to perceive the world in real time. The brain also uses past experiences and memories to help us understand and interpret what we see. For example, when you see a dog, your brain recognizes its shape, size, and fur. It also recalls your previous encounters with dogs, helping you to identify it as friendly or unfamiliar. Our brains are constantly working to make sense of the visual information our eyes receive.